Hey, it's Trisa from Anjurisa. Welcome to my crafting room. If you want your life to be more colorful, try making this rainbow scrunchie. Due to the colorful colors, small fabrics are required, which means scrap fabrics are very welcome. Without any further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Prepare your colorful fabrics, especially those that represent the colors of the rainbow. Each fabric size is 12.5 by 10 centimeters. We will sew all fabrics together according to the order of rainbow colors. Red with orange, orange with yellow, and so on. Red with orange, orange with yellow, yellow with green, green with blue, blue with indigo, indigo with violet, and violet back to red. We will get a long strip of fabric that represent rainbow colors. Press all seam open. Don't skip this part. It's the little things that make a big difference. If you like making scrunchies or other hair accessories, consider subscribing and turn on the notification. You can also check out my previous videos in this channel. Can't find something you want? You can comment below and I will reply it with shots. Now lay the fabric flat down. Fold to the center. Then join the seam together. And we will sew all along the fabric. Align all the seams together to have a nice look. While sewing, make sure that the seams are aligned together. Simply pull the fabric and we can continue sewing. Leave a gap here and do a back stitch. Prepare an elastic band. Any size is fine. I'm using 18 centimeters for my hair. If you have thicker hair, you can cut the elastic longer. To insert the elastic into the scrunchie, I use a loop turner. Purchase link is in the description. If you don't feel like buying one, safety pins are the easier tool to find. Here's how to use it. Slide the loop turner, hook the elastic, then hold it here, carefully pull it out. Don't let the elastic band get twisted. We can overlap together, then stitch to secure the elastic. We can turn the fabric inside out through the opening. To close the opening, you can simply sew a line, but I wanted to use the invisible stitch to make my scrunchie look more professional. Prepare needle and matching thread. Stitch from the inside. Hold the scrunchie like this. Sew exactly on the folds. Do it on the other side. Repeat, repeat, and repeat. Your stitching will look like this. Pull it tight. It's the satisfying pull. Secure the thread. Then hide it inside the scrunchie. Cut out the thread. That's it. Our rainbow scrunchie is finished. Thanks for following this tutorial. If you find it useful, support me by liking and subscribing. Any questions? Write in the comment below. I will try to reply it with shots. See you in my next video. Bye!